Welcome back to Mobility Solutions. Today, we'll take a look at the new Ally Pro, all of its upgraded features compared to that of the original Golden Ally.
Hey, I'm Chris with Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com. I have the brand new Ally Pro in stock, just released by Golden Technology. They've done a lot of improvements to it. Comes in two colors, the color that we're displaying and a teal color. If you're looking for a rugged outdoor chair that also folds up for traveling, you need to check out the Ally Pro. But there are some cons with it. Everyone wants to point out all the good stuff. I do want to mention some of the cons with products that we sell. Now, the con on this product right now, the weight, it is heavy. It's 75 pounds altogether with the battery. The battery can be removed to get it to about 69 pounds. It's not a lightweight folding chair like a Jazzy Ultra, Carbon, Cricket, some travel buggy chairs you see, but it's made to be a beast.
Let's check out the upgrades and improvements.
This is the major difference in the Ally Pro. It's omni-directional wheels, we call it. So the purpose of these wheels, there's a lot of reasons for it. It's to get over certain curves. It should climb up 2 inches like the Wheel Technology CI chair does. It also has spring suspensions on the front. So this will be good going over thresholds, different obstacles compared to a swivel caster wheel. It also helps with the turning. Also, it allows for people with larger feet. These things don't swivel, these move. There's a bunch of wheels that move to give you a really tight turn. This is your standard caster wheel. Actually, this is the standard Ally right here. And see how they swivel? Well, if you had your foot on here, see how close it comes to the foot if your feet were extended out? So that's the purpose of these. Now, just so you know, this is one of the reasons why there's an increased weight with this unit. Now, the Ally's never been a lightweight power wheelchair, and I never sell it to you as a lightweight power wheelchair. I sell it to you as a comfortable chair that folds up. Usually people that buy it can handle loading it, or they load it with somebody else. We sell a lot of these chairs, or the Ally, and most people are buying it or loading it together. And look at this, a foot plate that can adjust in, or you can adjust them out, and it stops kind of in different little spots, but you can bring them all the way out so someone with larger feet can have more foot room. That's important. This can go up or down. It's set at the lowest point, so you can bring this up a little bit higher for someone with shorter legs. So it seems like you're getting about a 3-inch adjustment with the footrest, 2.5, 3 inches. Now, another thing I want to point out that I see is that the arms. So the arms can go in or slide out. There's little knobs on the side, you can tighten them up. So this allows for more room between the arms. The standard Ally is about 18 inches. We can get this to 20 inches between the arms. This holds 330 pounds. Now, we had a lady in this chair that was trying it out. Does it feel okay right now?
Yeah. A little tight on behind her.
Maybe a little bit too big for the chair, even though it can hold her weight, but it's good to have her on the camera so you can see what someone about her height and size, what you would look like, how you would feel in this chair. She says she felt a little too smushed in it, even with the arms adjusted out. Now, on both sides, you can adjust them out. So, again, if you need to bring them in, you can bring them in. You just loosen this. Hey guys, so look, if you're looking to finance something, we're offering 0% interest, 3, 6, up to 12 months on purchases, which is really cool. And it's very easy to do. So we offer it with Bread Pay, and it's on our website. You'll see payments as low as. Now those payments will adjust, and I'm going to show you kind of the process of how to check out. You will need a cell phone, and you will need an email address. And this is not a hard inquiry onto your credit report. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this.
Okay, so this video is getting too long already. So if you need a full tutorial, watch our How to Purchase with Bread Pay video linked in the description below.
The arm pads, they have added what they say padded armrests on the sides. Now, it's not that paddedy. I like the old arms better. It had that leather look. This is still a leather look brown. This is, it has been an improvement, I guess. This is why they did it. So that's a change, the arms.
And for some other notable features,
So it also comes with a seat belt You can charge the unit through the joystick. You can also charge the unit by removing the battery, and you can charge it through here. So if you didn't want to take this inside your house, you can carry this inside to charge it. You also have a USB and USA charging port on the armrest. This is made by like a robot company. Another big thing that you're gonna love is this. Now, while I'm at it, I'm gonna show you this. It has a back bag that is very nice. It has a lot of room in here for books, whatever. It's an extremely nice bag. Here's something that you're gonna like, and you can do this in the chair. I did it earlier. This allows you to recline it. So you pull this out on both sides, you can turn them, and you can recline it back. Check that out. And you have to lock it, but you can do it while you're in the chair. Turn this thing on real quick. Watch this. Football game, baseball game, theme park, wherever you go, most power chairs that fold up don't allow for this back recline. Now I know the Travel Buddy City offers it, some other ones out there. This is extremely comfortable. So you're out in the yard, you're going to games, and you have someone that can handle putting this into a car. I think you're gonna love this. You can travel with it, it's TSA approved, but that is pretty neat that you have the option to move this, and you can lock it. There's different positions. So I got it here. I think you can do it on one side. So I'm still learning a lot about this chair. So you can lock it there. So it seems like you have a couple different places to where you can stop it. That is really, really cool. Now, back to the front. This thing will talk to you. If you want to turn that off, you can download the Golden Ally app, and you can come in here and drive this like a remote control car. You can change the settings of the sound, louder, softer, turn it off. You do have 5 speeds, and this thing actually gets it. It's a lot faster, it seems like, than the standard Ally. It's pretty fast. So I feel very comfortable if someone wants some speed, and tell them that you'll probably like this chair. Again, you do have your flip back arms. And the lights on the back, check the lights on the back. It's lit up for nighttime. The other thing that they changed is the light here. Before you just barely touched it, turned on. Now you just hold it for a minute, it turns on, hold it for a second, it turns off.
Now let's discuss folding and transport.
Folding this up, it's very, very simple. It's the same as the old one. Right here on either side. Before I do this, this can be moved to the left-hand side. It can be right hand or left hand. It's pretty easy to do. Right here, look, come here, walk it over. And then there you go. That's, oh, we got a charger down in there, guys. Here's the charger, it comes with it. And it's clipped, and you can roll this. You can stand it up, put it in the closet. You can unfold it just by pushing this down, bringing it back, walking it around. So if you're looking for a new power chair, if you're looking for a mobility device, you haven't made up your mind yet, please follow us, because I'm always bringing out new products. And we're actually about to go to a show in Dallas. It's called MedTrade, and it's going to be a lot of manufacturers there showing us new products that are going to be released in the next few months, next year, whatever it is. So we'll be out there. We're going to get a lot of content. We're going to have a really cool travel video with my man Louie that's behind the camera. You're going to love him. I'm going to show you exactly how to fly through the airport properly. There's no one out there that's really showing you a proper video of traveling by air. So we're going to show you how to properly travel with a power wheelchair.
Now for testing the performance.
Hey, we're going to take this outside, probably take it to Carpenter Farms and see exactly how strong this chair is outside in the yard, grass, hills, everything. We're going to do it. We're not doing it today. It's pouring down rain outside. Even though this can handle some rain, I think it's at IPX4. I wouldn't suggest taking it out when it's pouring down rain like today. And it's fast. Again, if you can't get that foot plate up, you can flip this back, come over here, slide around. Watch how this thing turns.
Caution, reversing. Caution, reversing.
I'm gonna get a good run for you, Louie. It stops automatically. Now let me run through some really quick specs if you don't mind. It's a 330-pound weight capacity, rear wheel drive up to 5 miles per hour with a 13-mile battery range. It's 2.5-inch ground clearance, 37-inch turning radius, a 12 amp hour lithium ion battery that is TSA, teal or gray, 39 inches in length, 25 inches in overall width, and max between the arms we talked about is 20 inches. Ground to top of seat, it's 20.5 inches. So from your feet down right here, it's 20.5 inches. Again, the foot plate is adjustable in height. Currently, it looks like it's about 7 inches. It can come up to about 14. So if someone a little bit shorter legs, you can move this up. You also can remove this seat cushion, put a different seat cushion in. 5-year on the frame, 13 months on the drivetrain, the electronics, and the battery's 12 months. And there's some accessories you can buy, like a headrest, a heated seat, cup holder I wasn't a big fan of, just so you know. I'm probably not going to sell you it because I don't like it. And a wireless remote control. 10-inch pneumatic wheels, so they're air, so sometimes you might have to pump that up, but it's going to give you a really nice smooth ride. 2-inch anti-tippers at the back, just in case if you tip it, and you got your 10-inch omni-directional wheels. It's priced about $31.99. It looks really good. This is the mesh back, so it's going to be real breathable. Seat cushion can be removed, and you can wash this cover. Again, it's not for everybody, but I have a lot of people that buy this chair. Some people comment that they wanted these type of wheels on it so it can be more rugged for outside use. I mean, I just had a lady here that has a horse farm that bought a big Wrangler. She'd probably love this chair for her barn and stuff. So if you've been looking at that Ally, you've been looking at a travel power chair, definitely check out this chair, but just keep in mind, again, it's heavy. It's heavy. Now you can use some type of leverage if you had a minivan to prop this up and kind of slide it in, or you possibly can use some type of ramp system. You're gonna love this chair as long as you can lift it. Check it out, Model GP304. My name's Chris. You can call us at 803-926-2224. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching today's video on the new and improved Ally Pro. Don't forget about BreadPay for financing. Please subscribe and come back to the next video.